Today I'm gonna read My Daddy Snores. My daddy snores. My daddy snores. On Monday, Daddy snores boomed like a dinosaur roar. The windows rattled, the walls trembled. So, Mommy played musical beds, but she tried sleeping in my bed, but I hugged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natty's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy snores boomed like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of bed. So, she slept in the bathtub. But the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip. On Wednesday, Daddy snores chungled. Chungled like a chungled train. So, Mommy slept in Hammy's cage, but she was too squishy and it smelled funny. On Thursday, Daddy snores buzz like a bumblebee. So, Mommy slept in the doghouse. But poor Rover doesn't sleep a wink. He howled instead. Over loudly. Ow! On Friday, Daddy snores whistle like a teapot. So, it's time. Mommy had made Daddy sleep in the fish bowl. But even Daddy Bubbles snore loudly. On Saturday, Daddy snores choop like a train. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy snore in our tent. But he woke up all the birds. Then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all.